Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit in Lucidchart. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing in Lucidchart provides a lot of flexibility and control over the design and functionality of your diagrams. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the document or diagram that you want to edit. If you haven't already, just go to the new button right here, click Lucidchart. You can create a blank document or start from a template wherein we can edit all the elements inside of it. For example, you can use from any of the following like presentation template, flowchart, and storyboard. If you want to click this, you might want to click the preview button to make sure that this is going to be the template that I wanted to work with. Click the three buttons if you want to copy that share, and click the use template. Now, you will be forwarded to the diagram builder wherein we have all the leverage to edit the elements inside of it. Number one option is you can edit the title. Instead of storyboard, click this right here, and then here I'm going to edit the title. After that, you also have an option to edit by clicking the options right here that says edit. All right, you would be forwarded to click on paste plain, or spell check settings. All right, make sure it's always on while editing. Right, and then you can edit the image if you wanted. For example, I'm going to be putting in an image here via the my local computer, especially if you're not happy with the images that's been here. All right, from here you can basically choose any of the elements that you want, and you can put in as much as shapes that you want by dragging and dropping all here on the builder. You can delete all of them if you want. If you want to change, you can simply replace all of it. Basically, that's how you can do it here. Now, you also have an option to edit this in Lucidchart if you press this button right here. Now, editing lets you rearrange the shapes and adjustments and adjust their size to make the diagram more readable and ensure it follows a logical flow. And from here, you can adjust the spacing and alignments of the elements to make the diagram visually clear and, of course, prevent clutter. All right? So basically, that's how you edit here in Lucidchart. And you can change all the fonts and colors. Go to the board settings. Go to the board settings right here. You can choose to create a background color of your choice. And basically, that's how you edit here in Lucidchart. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.